Not wasting no time here. 8 easy steps to degree a camshaft. All you're going to need is a degree wheel, a piston stop, and a dial indicator with a stand. Step 1, install a piston stop. Step 2, find out where your piston hits a piston stop after top dead center. 30 degrees. Step 3, find out where your piston hits the stop before top dead center. 10 degrees. Step 4 is to adjust your pointer so it's equal before and after top dead center. Before top dead center, after top dead center. Step 5, remove the piston stop. Step 6 is to find a position someplace before the valve reaches maximum lift. 50 thousandths. Record your number that is on your degree wheel. 83. Step 7 is to go over maximum lift and back down to your previously recorded measurement. 50 thousandths. Record the degree indicated by your degree wheel, 139. Add your two numbers together, divide that number by 2, that gives you your intake center line. This cam is installed at 111 intake center line. See you soon.